Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you second option on how to get TikTok Shop without 1K followers step by step. First of all, I have created an account that we will create a TikTok Shop. As you can see, this account has 0 followers. You need to download TikTok Seller app on Play Store. Open TikTok Seller app, then go Settings. Then click Link TikTok Accounts. We have two options here to link account: official or marketing account. Click Marketing Accounts. As you can see, I have linked here to accounts. Click Link New Account. You have to copy your username and enter here. Then click Send Invitation. You have to confirm invitation sent. Verification before 48 hours of expiry. All you need, go back to your TikTok and open Inbox. Then System Notification. Click the first new request of monetization. Link with Shop, you have to accept and click below. Successfully link. Go back to TikTok Seller if you want to. Check your account was completely linked. Ta-da! Then check your TikTok account. Yay, finally complete! And you can start promoting product by adding here at basket. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates video tutorial.